Assalamualaikum viewers, hope you all are fine. Today I will show you how you can create a poster in a blending style like a pro. Before I start my video, I request you to subscribe my channel, share my videos and like my videos. Here we go to the video canvas. You have to select the customized size of 1920 by 1080. Now go to elements and search image of a city having buildings. Here I have already searched and selected, expanded to the whole canvas. Now you need an image of a person who have hoodies or side pose. You can select image of your own choice. I have selected this one and expand it to remove the background and duplicate it. Then place it on the first image. I have duplicated it and now place to the first image and remove the background. Now go to the apps and you have selected the image blender. I will use two apps in this video. One is image blender and the second is blend image. Now I am using the image blender, this one, and you have to blend the half image like this. After blending the half image, now we here is my in my city Lahore. There is too much rain with thunder. You can also feel the voice of thunder. Now I put the second image over there and blend this image from the front side like this and then download. Yeah, it's set properly. Save it. And now I download this image. Again, we selected this image, expand to the whole canvas, remove background. Now go to edits, select the classic, make its color black. Now go to elements, select a shape, expand to the half and make its color black. Choose the exact black color like this. And now click to the next page, select any color and write a text letter by letter. Bigger, change the font to Cuba, CUBAO, Cuba. Give it effect, outline, color white, reduce the thickness. Duplicate. Show layers and adjust a layer. Adjust the layer, let that every letter go beyond the first letter. Send to back like this. Select all. Group and put to the second page. Rotate it vertically and adjust it over there. Adjust it like this. इसको रोकना जरा, मैंने रिकॉर्ड कर रही थी. Now download this page. You download this image. Now delete all the extra pages. In upload the first two pages, blended pages and the black one. Here the two pages. Now select the blend image, apps, Now select the first one is the black one is the for the top layer. This one for the top layer, you have selected the black image for the top layer and this blended image for the bottom layer. Scroll down here, select the screen. This is a required image. Here is the final result. If you like the video, share my videos, like my videos, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, till my next video.